Anicca! Hello, my friends.
Hello, hi.
It's time for a 2-minute meditation for kids. I will be your meditation coach. Are you ready?
Okay, alright.
There are 3 things to remember for meditation. Number 1, you must sit down. Number 2, you must close your eyes like this. And number 3, pay attention to the breath. The breath moving through your nose.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Ready, my friend?
All right. Begin! Now, can you feel the air moving through your nose? Pay attention to the feeling of the air. The air right at the tip of your nose. The air at the nostrils. Can you feel the breath, my friends? Pay attention. We call this mindfulness of breath. It is a wonderful meditation. Breathe normally, but pay attention to the feeling of the breath. The feeling of the air moving through your nose. Can you feel the air? Excellent work, my friendly friends. That is the end of your meditation for today.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. Anicca.